Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training, and showing you this little project I've been working on. We looked at view range, and this exercise we're going to look at creating furniture plans. So I've got this done already. It's just a matter of we know how to do the right click and we'll duplicate the view, and then I got this view here is renamed to level 1 furniture. So there's my furniture plan. So this space, the owner wants to utilize this as office space or rental space. So here we've got an office here. Then we've got another one there, a little one there, and this is a utility room back here. So if we go into our floor plan view, we're not showing any furniture here. We're just showing our floor plan. Now to create a furniture plan, we can simply just go out here and do a new sheet. Probably should have done this. Well, I'll do it now. So create a new sheet. Well, I'm gonna push back on that for now because we've got that all done. So I wanted to look at other things here. So what I did here in my furniture plan, I'm showing all of everything here that we're going to need here. There's a barber chair. Let's see, let me get this in 3D view here if I can. Yep. So this customer, he wants to do this, and this is just sort of space planning. He can get 3 chairs there. I don't know what he wants to do with the lobby. These are existing apartments, so they're good to go. But the main thing is focus is this first front rental space. Okay, so now what we're going to look at here in this exercise is we want to look at work sets. I know, man, I had a job one day and I hadn't used work sets, and they said, hey, create a work set for all those. And I'm like, oh, duh. So I had a brain fart. I really did. So to do this now, to create a work set, we can be in 3D or whatever. So I'm going to go to my furniture plan, and so let's go and look at how you create work sets. So here we already have active work sets available, sort of defaulted. So there's shared levels and grids and work set 1. Okay, but what you want to do here, you can hit this guy here on the bottom. It'll bring it up as well, and then you can hit that one. So now what you see here is a dialog box that shows the work sets that's available that we saw there. And then they could be edible or non-edible depending on the owner. Now this is my email, so I'm the owner here. And then, okay, say we want to create a new work set. So let's create a couple of them. I'm going to go with one for furniture. We'll have a furniture work set, and it'll be visible in our views. We'll say okay. And then we'll create a new one. What else can we say? Let's do interior walls. So new. Well, I'll just say walls because this is going to be real short exercise. I'm going to hit okay. So I've got my 2 work sets. So now it's just a matter of, do you want to make, okay, I'll say yeah. Well, I could have said any of those. I probably should have said, no, I'm going to make furniture active because that's what we're going to deal with first. So this is my active work set. So what we do here now is in this view of my furniture, I'm going to select all of my furniture. Well, I'm just do select everything here. And I'm going to do my filter. And I'm going to check none. And then I want to go with furniture. Hit apply. Okay. So there's my, and then right here where it says in my properties dialog, I can just pull this down and select furniture. Apply. Okay, so there's one work set done, and then I can go here and look at this dialog box once again. Now, if I'm working with multiple people, I can make this I can make it edible or non-edible, but since I'm just working on it, I'm going to make that edible. All right. Let's cancel all that. So now let's go. What was the next one we created? We want to do the walls now. So I'm going to select everything once again. And then I'm going to my visibility graphics, or VV. No, I want to do the filter first. So let's grab everything here. Now I'm going to hit my filter, and I want to check none. I want to grab my walls. Apply. Okay. So now I have these walls selected here. Now, well, my work set here, I'm in work set 1. I'm going to change this down to walls. Apply. Okay, so there we have it. So we just created 2 work sets, our walls, and then I might want to do the columns here. So basically, you can do everything in a work set here, all right? And then you can do cloud collaboration. So now I'm going to go out here and do some, let's see how many we got here. We got furniture, walls, share levels, and grid. Okay. So you get the idea how this works. So I'm going to take on my work sets again, and then I'm going to go and say, I'm going to say no here, close. What's that error message? No, the project is, oh, okay. So it's waiting for me to sync. I'm not working in a central model or anything. This exercise was just for the purpose of showing you how to do work sets. So now if I go back into 3D, I've got, oh wow, what's that? Oh, that's my, okay, now that's my default 3D. So what that did over here when I created the work sets, if I go down to my, where is it? 3D views, there they go. So that's the new view that came from the work sets. So this one here is my original one that I work with. So that was all I wanted to do, folks. We've got this little layout going here. I don't know if the owner's going to be happy with this, but that's kind of basic to what he wants. And then I might just drop that sheet in here while I'm at it. So I'll just go and, we know how to do this. Go right click. Let me go new sheet. What size did I use here? I don't even remember, man. Floor plan we've got here. Okay, 17 by 22. So I'm going to go create a new sheet. Come on now, where you at? New sheet. Yep, go 17 by 22. And then I can go up here to my furniture plan, level 1, and just drag and drop that guy right in there. So, thanks for watching the video, folks. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this. I just want to give you a good idea of how work sets work. So we've got 3 different work sets here, whereas I can go and they can be even used as layering or anything you want. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Y'all be safe. Bye.